There you go, like an anime story. I'm not
Hold it.
You guys are silly.
I don't think you should watch
You're standing
it.
right there.
I don't want to watch it. I'm curious.
It's not worth it.
Shut up,
Well,
Brian.
why is everyone else?
Why is it not worth it? What are you losing? Like,
Your dignity.
Yeah.
Watching it.
Are these the two girls? They're not cute. Is that a girl? Yeah, they're not cute. Oh my gosh, she does! Oh my gosh! Why is it? Oh, trash and channel! Oh my gosh! Ah! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! I don't want to watch it anymore. Ah! Stick their tongues out. I'm not watching anything. I'm plugging my ears.
Stick their tongues
I
out.
play Pink Floyd in my mind.
Poo poo.
Wait, yes. Oh my god.
that's gross. Just threw up
She was.
That was it.
That's horrible.
You wanna watch it again?
No!
Caitlin just looks aghast. Horrified. You just look like you walked through a Holocaust exhibit.
That's a terrible comparison.
That was a good